Hello friends, my name is Mehak and you are watching Mehak Tech YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix Apple ID lock. Your Apple ID has been locked for security reasons. To unlock it, you must verify your identity. You can see appear on the screen, unlock account and cancel. So friends, how to fix it? Tap on unlock account. Unlock, enter your own phone number. Tap on next. Continue on your other iPhone. Cannot get your iPhone. Tap on done. Tap on next. Apple ID has been locked for your security reasons. Again showing, tap on it. Enter your phone number here. Tap on next. Tap on cannot get to your iPhone. Tap on use your own iPhone number. You can still unlock your account. Tap send code. Here you can enter your verification code which send on your own number. Enter code. Write Apple ID password. Tap on next. Ready to unlock. After you unlock your account, you can sign in on this iPhone. Tap on unlock. Tap on unlock. Your account has been unlocked. If you think someone else know your password, you should change it to keep your account secure. Tap on done. You can see ID is unlocked. You should see appear on screen. Apple ID has successfully logged in again and unlocked Apple ID. So friend, if the video is helpful to you, please subscribe to your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.